Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Adventure of Hedgehog Ninja. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, and follow. Your support is appreciated. In a mysterious forest, there lived a small hedgehog named Spike. Despite its small size, it harbored an extraordinary dream: to become an excellent ninja. This is a story set amid trees and green leaves. Spike had always yearned for the life of a ninja, imagining himself walking through the night, undertaking mysterious missions like those brave warriors. So, it decided to embark on an adventurous journey to master the skills of a ninja. Spike found an old fox named Mr. Kitsune, a master of ninja skills. Mr. Kitsune was willing to impart his knowledge to Spike, but demanded diligent effort in return. Spike gladly agreed, commencing a long and challenging training journey. Deep within the forest, Spike learned to move silently, traversing through the trees without making a sound. Following that, it mastered the art of climbing swiftly and hiding in the blink of an eye, ensuring quick escapes in perilous situations. Under Mr. Kitsune's guidance, Spike gradually gained proficiency in using small quills for ranged attacks. Each shot required precise target locking and agile movements, and through continuous practice, Spike became increasingly adept. The nighttime became the peak moment for Spike's ninja training. It learned to walk in darkness, ambushing prey using the cover of shadows. Mr. Kitsune emphasized that a ninja needed sharp night vision like an owl and swift flight like a nighthawk. Throughout the training process, Spike befriended other animals with dreams of becoming ninjas. They worked hard together, offering mutual encouragement. Facing various challenges, the group collectively improved their ninja skills. Ultimately, after a long period of effort, Spike completed his training, evolving into a qualified little ninja. Mr. Kitsune was highly satisfied with its growth, praising Spike's perseverance and courage. Henceforth, Spike transformed into a mysterious little ninja, wandering through every corner of the forest. It utilized its acquired skills to safeguard the peace of the forest. As night fell, Spike's silhouette resembled a twinkling star, silently guarding this tranquil woodland. This is a tale of adventure and friendship, narrating Spike's splendid journey to becoming a ninja.